So now that we have made our face mask, I'm going to show you all how I actually am using it. So to start off, I just thought I'd get up real close and personal so you can actually see my pores. It'll show you a little bit more closely, like before and after. So it's my face, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you me using the face mask, and then you'll see an after. So here's the face mask. Now I'll be honest, I wish I would have added more water because it would have made it a little bit smoother, but trial and error. I've made this mask once before and I think I did actually use more water, so it went on, it's a little bit less sticky. This time, something I do like because it has less water, I feel like I'm getting more of an exfoliant type of effect because the skin can really just feel the oats more than if it had more water. So I'm just gonna spread this on. So this is me with the mask on. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. Wash the face mask off, and I don't know if you all can tell any type of difference in my skin, but what I can tell is that it is so much smoother. It just feels clean, refreshed, and just cleansed. So go ahead and try this recipe. It's such an amazing way to just practice self-care, just have a time to relax and take care of yourself. I recommend doing this about twice, 3 times a week. You can't really do it too much, I would say, because it is so natural and good for your skin, and it's just very moisturizing, so it's not going to dry out your skin or anything like that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.